Hey everyone, it's Emma and Shane here, and today we are here with our guide on which rides are a hit or a miss at Universal Islands of Adventure. But if you missed our Universal Studios vlog, I will leave the link down below in the description. So if you're on vacation, have a limited timescale, or only have a one-day visit, this guide will maximise your time and tick off them top attractions. In this edition, we'll be taking a look at every single attraction in Islands of Adventure.
Now, we always say Universal Studios and Islands Adventure could take 3 days out of your vacation, and when you look at the list of attractions just in Islands, you can see why. Every year the parks are getting busier and busier and bigger with new attractions, plus in 2025 it's set to get even more crazier and busier with the opening of the new Epic Universe at Universal Orlando Resort.
So if you're like us, you will want to hit up all them awesome attractions, but sometimes we know Islands of Adventure can have busy days. The wait times are high and your plan can fall apart. You might have to rethink your full day plan and lose some of them attractions you really wanted to ride.
So we have made this video to help you pre-plan your Islands of Adventure day. We will let you know our personal favourite attractions and how long we would wait for them and why, and if it's worth skipping them if it's a crazy busy day.
Now before we dive right in, we know everyone comes to Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios for different reasons. So this is based on our own opinion and our own experiences here in Universal Islands of Adventure. The attractions are like and what options are available should you be visiting with children.
We will explain everything as we take a look at the attractions and work our way around this awesome lagoon at Universal's Islands of Adventure. So we hope this attraction guide will help you plan your next vacation. So before we start the guide, we've got one question for you. Do you go left or do you go right? This guide will help you plan your perfect visit.
So our first stop is Marvel Superhero Land for the incredible Hulk roller coaster. Now Child Swap is available. This is a thrill ride and Express Pass is accepted. This ride requires you to leave all your personal belongings in a locker. You will require to go through screening and a metal detector. Should they find anything, you will have to leave the queue and then rejoin. If you're a thrill seeker, this is a coaster for you. This is a B&M launch coaster that utilises a tyre propelled launch system. I would definitely wait 60 minutes for this coaster, but the best tip is the single rider queue. Sometimes you might get lucky and you both ride at the same time, and I definitely recommend this attraction.
Our next attraction is Stormforce Acceleration. Now this attraction sometimes can be forgotten about because it's actually behind the Hulk. This is a modern take on the classic teacup. Now on most days this attraction actually doesn't get too busy. Like right now we're in the middle of the day on a Monday and it's only a 5-minute wait. This attraction accepts Universal Express, it's got Child Swap and it's kid friendly attraction. Now we've never used Universal Express Pass on this attraction. It very rarely gets busy except in the summer months. Now personally we wouldn't wait any longer than 15 minutes for this attraction.
The next one on our list is Doctor Doom's Fearfall. This S&S Power Space Shot Tower is quite popular and you can find them in many theme parks right across the globe. Now this thrill ride has Child Swap availability and the Universal Express Pass is accepted. Personally, I wouldn't wait too long for this attraction as it is only a few seconds of a ride. You are launched vertically up into the air and then you come straight back down to earth. Would only wait 15 minutes tops.
The next attraction on the list is The Amazing Adventures of Spider-Man. Now this attraction opened in 1999 and Universal has got 2 rides very similar, this one and Transformers. But our opinion is Spider-Man is the better version. We feel the storyline is so much better on this attraction. There is so much amazing things, but I'm not going to go too into it because I want you to check it out for yourself. Now this attraction is a 3D and 4D motion based dark ride. Universal Express is accepted, Child Swap's available too. Now we love this attraction so we would definitely wait over 60 minutes.
Now our next attraction might not be so suitable at this time of year, but it's Popeye and Bluto's Bilge Rat Barges. Hold on tight as you brave your way through these raging rapids. And yes, you're gonna get absolutely soaked. Universal Express Pass is accepted, Child Swap is available, and you will need a poncho. But if you don't want to get soaked on this attraction, you can head right over to my ship, the Olive, and wait there with the cannons to soak your family as they fly past. This is an outdoor, interactive kids play area.
Our next water attraction is Dudley Do-Right's Ripsaw Falls. Now this water attraction is very similar to the log flumes. This is a very unique, it's actually got dual sides, but I've actually not seen dual sides working for a very long time. Now Universal Express is accepted, Child Swap is accepted, and plus this is a water ride everyone, you are going to get extremely wet. Now especially on those really hot days, I would definitely wait over 45 minutes. Plus, please remember to bring extra shoes, socks, underwear, just a full brand new outfit because you're definitely going to need it. Our next attraction is Skull Island Reign of Kong. Now like I said before, there's two attractions at Universal very similar. Now this one I prefer more, but I wouldn't wait any longer than 30 minutes. Now make sure you check out our previous video all about Universal Studios Florida. This attraction is a 3D, 4D simulator ride. Now as a recording of this, it's a Monday halfway through the day and it's over a 95-minute wait. I would certainly not wait for that amount of time. Now Universal Express Pass is accepted, Child Swap's available too.
Now we're moving on to possibly the best roller coaster here in Orlando. Yes, Jurassic Park World Velocicoaster. Single rider is available on this attraction, but parties will be asked to split. Child Swap is available and this is an awesome thrill ride. Personally, nighttime ride for me is the best. This intimate steel launch coaster is possibly one of the best attractions I have ridden to date. Halfway through the line you will need to leave your personal items in lockers provided. Then you will go through screening and metal detection. I would be happy to wait in line for this coaster at least an hour and a half to 2 hours. Now if you're waiting for family to ride this ride, you have the Jurassic Park Discovery Centre, full of fun things to do for all ages. A kid-friendly attraction and is located just across from the entrance of Velocicoaster. So if you're enjoying this video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe, and check out our website gottagoorlando.com, where we cover all of Orlando's event, theme park and attraction news.
Our next ride is the Tarragon Flyers. Now this ride is a little bit different. Every time you visit this attraction you must have a child with you. So folks, it's not Child Swap, it's Adult Swap. This is an awesome kid-friendly attraction. I've not personally been on this attraction since I was a kid and my parents took me on, but I definitely recommend it. So everyone, if you're visiting with children, I would definitely recommend this attraction.
Now if you don't want to get as soaked as you do on Dudley Do-Right's Ripsaw Falls, you might want to try Jurassic Park River Adventure. You don't get that wet, especially if you sit towards the back of the boat. 1 minute you're on a gentle boat ride and the next you're face to face with a T-Rex. Your only escape is a pitch black 85-foot drop. Now Universal Express Pass is accepted and you can also use Child Swap, as this attraction could be quite intense for a younger child. Now at present this ride is down for refurbishment, but when open I would easily wait 60 minutes for this attraction as it's great fun.
The next ride is Harry Potter and the Forbidden Journey. This attraction is classed as a thrill ride. There's Child Swap available, single rider available, plus Universal Express is accepted. Now this attraction is within Hogwarts Castle and it is a dark ride. Now this ride is one of our favourite dark rides at Universal's Islands of Adventure. Now as you're walking up to Hogwarts Castle and entering through those gates, you truly feel part of the movie. This ride has one of the best queuing areas, and you even run into Harry, Ron and Hermione. This ride is actually a dark ride and it features a robotic arm, just like if you watch any of those YouTube videos about how they make cars. We definitely recommend you checking out this attraction, and we would wait over 1 hour.
Now let's take flight on the Flight of the Hippogriff. This is a kid-friendly roller coaster, but child swap is available. And Universal Express is accepted. This family-friendly coaster that spirals and dives around a pumpkin patch and swoops past Hagrid's hut. This child-friendly coaster can get long wait times, but me personally, I would only wait approximately 30 minutes, as it is a very short roller coaster.
Our next roller coaster is Hagrid's Magical Creatures Motorbike Adventure. This is one roller coaster we really love, and especially for all the amazing Harry Potter theming and of course Hagrid. Now this roller coaster is one of the biggest waits you're going to wait at Islands of Adventure, but it's totally worth it, and here's why. Now the first reason is definitely if you're a Harry Potter fan, it's a must-do attraction. The second is if you love Hagrid, then this is another must-do. And 3, if you love theming, then this is one of the best theming coasters I think I've ever seen. Now this roller coaster is classed as a thrilling roller coaster. There is child swap available too. Now like I said, this is one of the biggest waits you can wait at any coaster, any attraction at Universal Orlando Resort. Expect over at least 100 minutes.
And lockers are located outside of the queue for this one, so remember to store away your items before entering.
But we definitely recommend you trying it. We would definitely wait over 60 minutes for this attraction.
Poseidon's Fury, a show that immerses you whilst you're trapped under the sea. You'll be caught in the centre of an underwater battle between the ancient titans, Poseidon and the evil lord Darkanon. This is a walkthrough attraction / show. Universal's Express Pass is accepted and it is a kid-friendly attraction. But I do feel that this could be quite scary for a younger child. Bear this in mind when waiting in line. This show incorporates fire, pyrotechnics, water effects, sound and lighting. And a must-see when visiting. Now I wouldn't wait personally more than 30 minutes for this attraction.
The next ride is the High in the Sky Seuss Trolley Train Ride. Now this attraction is kid friendly, child swap is available and Universal Express is accepted. This is actually an attraction we really enjoy. We love seeing the views of Universal's Islands of Adventure. Now sometimes this attraction can actually get quite up in the waiting times, but we do recommend it because you do get those awesome views. But if you're there for one day and you're trying to get all the bigger attractions, we understand if you're going to skip it. Now this next ride, it brings back a lot of childhood memories for me, and it's the Carousel. If you love a good carousel ride, then this is the attraction for you.
This is a child-friendly attraction. Child swap is available and you can use Universal Express Pass. Fly high, fly low, spinning or swooping. The next attraction is one fish, two fish, red fish, blue fish. Universal Express Pass is accepted here. You also have child swap, but it is a kid-friendly attraction. Now remember, get that song right, because if not, you will get wet. This ride is very similar to Dumbo at Walt Disney World Resort, but with a Zeus Landings twist. Truly fun, and I would wait a good 15 to 20 minutes to ride it. It's such good laughs. Also in this area is If I Ran a Zoo, child-friendly area where you can turn cranks, spin wheels, step on pedals and see bizarre creatures appear from behind hedges.
Another family attraction is the Cat in the Hat. This is another ride that brings back a lot of childhood memories and even adult memories. Now if you love Cat in the Hat from the books and the movie, then this attraction is for you. This ride is a kid-friendly attraction. Child swap is available and Universal Express is accepted. But you know what? This is one ride that you don't have to wait that long for, and you know what? It's such a fun ride. It's a must-do.
This is a dark ride attraction that features all the characters from Zeus Landings, Cat in the Hat.
We wouldn't wait any longer than 20 minutes for this attraction.
Now let's talk lockers. Most attractions at Universal Orlando Islands of Adventure come with lockers, and you will have to store away loose articles before riding any of the attractions, as filming is not allowed. Each ride has a locker and it's timed for that ride, so you're not able to put your items in a locker on another attraction. Small lockers are provided for free. Now the small lockers you can fit a small rucksack in. But there is a small loophole. All the water rides require you to purchase a locker. So our tip is to take a plastic bag so you can wrap your personal belongings in just before entering the water attractions, or you could grab one from one of the stores inside the park. So we hope this video has given you some insight into the attractions at Universal Islands of Adventure. So this is our list of all the attractions here at Islands of Adventure. Now obviously we have skipped a few, but that is only because if it's a busy day. Thank you so much for joining us today on this video.
So everyone, if you've enjoyed this video, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe to join the fun.
Don't forget to check out GottaGoOrlando.com. Is your go-to source for all the latest Florida theme park attraction and entertainment news. But that's not all. We also cover insider tips and tricks and amazing stories. So all I can say now is TikTok.
Gotta go.
Gotta go Orlando, guys.
Bye everyone, and thanks for watching.
And don't forget about these two videos right here.